Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required to check for the software updates, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. So we've got the internet connection, we can now open the settings. Here, let's go to About Phone, which is at the very top, and here tap on Xiaomi HyperOS. And now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. We had this information right here that no updates are viable, and basically that's it, you're good to go. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.